Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. I'm going to be unboxing the Simon Says Stamp card kit of the month for May 2021 called Dandelion Messages. And so here you can see the box that it came in, and it's always wrapped in a brown bag. They always send you a sweet little treat, and then all the rest of the paper crafting goodies are inside the bag, and we'll go through them one by one. Okay, so you can see here that they send you a dandelion die and 2 buttons that you can use for whatever purpose you want. You can use them in your paper crafting, your multimedia projects, or even in sewing. And then you get 3 envelopes, and these are really pretty metallic envelopes, and they are adhesive envelopes, so you don't have to lick them. And this is a 3D embossing folder of dandelions. Now this is my first 3D embossing folder. I've never purchased a 3D embossing folder before. I know they've been on the market for a little while, but I have so many embossing folders already, I just didn't really feel like getting any more at this point in time. So it's kind of nice that this one came in this kit. I subscribed to the monthly kit, and this beautiful paper is full of rainbow gradients. It's like an 8x8 pack, and so you can make slimline cards with this, as well as A2 size cards or even 5x7 cards. And you can see all these beautiful rainbow gradients and dandelion images in this paper pack. And I just really love a lot of these. Most everyone, I think, loves rainbows. That one has kind of a smoky. Now this one, you can't really see it. It looks just like a plain light purple, but there are like concentric circles. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. It's very faint. It's even hard to see in person. So, ooh, that one was one of my favorites right there. I love that one. And then you also get this gorgeous gold. It's a rose gold foil, and then this beautiful gel that you can put on your projects. You can create a stencil with that die, and then also this gorgeous stamp set has a lot of beautiful sentiments, the pretty dandelion stamps, as well as those 2 cute sketchy hearts. So lots of goodness in this kit this time. Now I have already made 2 cards with this kit that I'll be sharing with you too, so don't forget to keep an eye out for those. And then you also get some cardstock. You get a blue, a yellow, lavender, and a white, and it's very thick, high quality cardstock, and then also an idea sheet so that you can get some ideas of how you might want to use the supplies in this kit. So that's it. I hope you had fun watching today, and have a wonderful, beautiful day. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.